in the beginning of everything.
Multiple stations throughout the city. Take Xandarians everywhere they need to go at ultra-high speeds. Xandarians also travel by water.
We recently learned that your Terran visionary, Walt Disney, had a son.
The people of Xandar.
The Nova Corps began with just 500 members and served as Xandar's reserves. Today, we operate as a massive...
Inside the cockpit, you would notice there is no overly complicated concept. Nova Corps pilots fly by with vertical motion capture.
Xandar would have never survived a pre-battle were it not for the intervention of this ragtag team we know as the Guardians of the Galaxy. To uncover the true story, I spoke with the captain of the crew. Peter Quill, thank you for
Commander of the Nova Corps. On behalf of all Xandarians, I hope you have enjoyed exploring the wonders of Xandar. As you have seen, your world and ours were born of the same moment, one which you refer to as the Big Bang. As such, we are all galactic neighbors in a vast universe which we and countless others share. For you to travel to Xandar would take 2.5 million years, assuming you had a ship that could fly at the speed of light. So we decided to come to you. But even we could not have reached you so easily were it not for the Cosmic Generator, an advanced piece of Xandarian technology that creates jump points, artificial tunnels that act as shortcuts, linking distant points in space. It is our desire to share this wondrous technology with your people so that together we might explore new worlds and create a brighter tomorrow. And now, as the culmination of the wonders of Xandar, you will be teleported to a Nova ship above your planet for a demonstration of the Cosmic Generator. I trust you will find it an unforgettable experience.
Okay, they're headed for the jump point. This plane is never gonna work. Rocket! Well? Okay, follow your vehicle.
We'll be right behind you.
Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Rex!
Good luck!
Senseless to follow me. What is that noise?
Noise? No one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing. What have we done?
I think we jumped back.
The Big Bang!
Generator, it's the only way back.
We got the generator!
think they deserve to be called heroes. Do you see how they dress?
It's just a figure of speech, Drax.
Ah, you are lying to them. Now